The topic of this video is building linear models from verbal descriptions. The simplest cost function is the linear cost function, c of x equals mx plus b, where the y-intercept, 0, b, represents the fixed cost of operating a business, and the slope, m, represents the variable costs. Suppose that a small bicycle manufacturer has daily fixed costs of $2,000, and each bicycle costs $100 to manufacture. Write a linear function that expresses the cost of manufacturing X bicycles in a day. Okay, so in order to solve a problem like this, the first thing that you want to do is pay attention to the numbers and the words fixed and variable. If you can figure out how those go together, then you should be able to come up with the answer to this very, very easily. All right, so we see right here that the fixed cost is being represented by the y-intercept and specifically the variable b, and that the fixed costs in this particular problem are $2,000. Okay, the next thing that we're talking about is that the slope m represents the variable costs, and the only other number that's in this problem that we haven't already identified as a fixed cost is this right here, $100. So we just need to figure out if that is a variable cost or not. Well, keep in mind the definition of variable cost from the other video. We learned that a variable cost is something that depends on the quantity of product or service that you are creating. So if you think about it, if it costs $100 to manufacture a bicycle, that's $100 worth of frames and handlebars and wheels, all of those parts that you need for every single bicycle. So that makes this $100 a variable cost. So once we've identified that, now we can link all of these things together. So we'll write our cost function as c of x equals mx plus b. And then all we have to do is put in numbers for the m and the b. Well, m, our slope here, is the variable cost of $100. And b, our intercept, our y-intercept, is the fixed cost of $2,000. So we get our final answer, c of x equals 100x plus 2,000. All in all, a pretty easy problem to solve.